So here I just want to show you a sample of one of our online sessions and what an online session is like. So here I'm just going to demonstrate and talk through a question. I'll let you just kind of see how this one goes here. So go ahead and just watch this. And we want to know what f of 1 is.
Yeah.
You see how here the x lines up with the 1?
Mm-hmm.
So what changed was x became 1 on the left. But if x becomes 1 on the left, what that means is we need the x to become 1.
All right. Oh, it's so easy.
Right. Once you know that, again, it's literally is that easy. Okay.
So now we're gonna go. So it's 3. So it's gonna be 3 plus 7.
Yep.
Times 3 plus 7, and that's gonna be 11 times 11, which is 121.
Be careful.
Wait.
What's 3 plus 7?
3 plus 10. So it's 100.
It's 100. Right. Yeah, and you don't even have to do it out. You can literally just do 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 squared is 100. Okay, so you don't have to do like that times FOIL it. You know, simplify the parentheses first, and then you have it there. Alright, so what you'll see is we just went through that one example. What happens is my image appears in the top right corner there, along with the student's image when he's talking, so we can visually see each other. And what you're seeing on the screen is exactly what's displayed on my screen being shared with the student. So here's another example with one of the tools that we use. I use this program called Fluid Math, which is really useful, and a lot of the students like it. So you'll see a good demonstration of that right here. So go ahead and take a look. Do you know how these values affect your function? Like, do you know how that a value shifts your function?
So the a value is going to shift it right or left.
Right, that's going to shift it left and right. Okay, do you know what that b value does?
Up and down.
Up and down. Okay. So let me ask you, here we have two curves on here.
Yeah.
Now we know they're shifted left and right, or right, I can definitely see that. Were they shifted up or down?
No.
No. So if they're not shifted up or down, then b has to be 0 there. That's it. Okay. And just so you kind of remember this here, if you had a function like y equals sine of a, let's go x plus a. Okay, if we graph this here, okay, if I let a be 1, let's just say, or let's start with 0. Okay, here's the normal sine curve. If I make that positive a, do you know which way that's being shifted?
To the left.
To the left, right. So the positive number shifts to the left, while if we go towards the negative numbers, that shifts it to the right there. Yeah. Just so you remember that. Perfect. Okay. Alright, so that's another cool tool that I like to use throughout my lessons. Another thing I like to bring in a lot of time is I have a graphing calculator here where I can pull this up on the screen, and a nice thing about this is I can literally show the student any kind of calculator tricks that there might be, like entering fractions into the calculator, okay, like 2 over 3 and so forth, and I can literally type them right into the screen and show them. Now the beautiful thing about these online lessons is that they're recorded. So I'm able to save them and send them out to the student after a lesson so that they can rewatch them if they want. I can also save a copy of the notes and email them to the student if they request as well. So there's a lot of advantages to this online lessons. I hope this little demonstration gives you a good idea of how they go. They work absolutely great, and I hope you'll consider them going forward here.